I'm First Lieutenant Mark Toller, and I'm here to educate you maggots on a little lesson in politics.
I'm gonna make myself a sandwich. You stay right there. You don't go to another page. Don't go to another page. Stay.
Mom, there's no more peanut butter. Easy.
Yo, wait man. We gotta do something. Got it. Election. That's what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
I'm voting for Mark Toller because he can predict whatever I have for breakfast. What did I have, Mark?
Banana.
Always gets it right.
Mark looks like Harry Potter and he will keep your money.
I'm voting for Mark Toller because he's a social butterfly.
We're voting for Mark because he's an Aggie.
I would vote for Mark for Treasury, probably because he's a skater boy.
Semper Fi.